Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add supports in Bambu Studio. So look at the left side settings panel in Bambu Studio and then make sure that you have this advanced toggle switch to on. Now click on the support. So first we need to select an object and now we can click on support tab. Check the box next to enable support. So right here, now you will see here type. So we have tree and normal. So the tree is, this will look like tree branches. They use less plastic, print faster, and pop off very easily. This normal one looks like solid walls of plastic. They are best for large, flat, heavy overhangs. So let's select tree like that. And what we are going to do now is just simply go here to the click slice plate at the top right corner to see the supports appear under your model in the preview. So you will need to wait a few seconds, and this is basically it. So this exact model right here doesn't need any support, so you don't see bunch of it. Just maybe right over here, but yeah, um, yeah, it doesn't need, so you don't see anything specific right here. So I hope still this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next